What's up? In this video, we are creating our first CRI project, how we can create in a latest React Native version. For that, I'm creating a better article for that, so you can refer that in every time when you create our project. So first, we need to copy that command that is helps to create our project in a latest version. So for that, just copy and paste that command, that is npx React Native CLI at the latest in it, and your project name. That what's your project name you can add there. And here we can see that our installation is started. It may take some time, so you can wait, and you have to wait. It may take time. Here, after that, if our project is created, we have to go to the directory, and we need to run into the end. Actually, I need to edit one more thing, so yeah, I will edit soon. So yeah, our project is created. Now we have to just go to our project name. That our project name is project, so I go to that project and run this command that helps to let's open my emulator and also install this app that is available, and then it's give me the error for a Metro bundler. So for that, I have to run one more command. This command just helps me to just install the APK, but it's not running. This command helps to share what our code data to our, what we can say, in code. So just need a npx, and here we just run it. Reset case means if we have a previous things that we have to start again, so we can add this. For starting, it's maybe used, but it's not effective. So our app is installed 98%, and just we wait a little bit to install. Here our app is installed here, and our Metro bundler is also started, and here we can see our app is open. Here our app is open with the Metro bundler sending our data, and after a few seconds our app will be started ready to build. The process complete, and here we can see our app is ready. Yeah, thanks for watching.